Are you looking for a quality landscape company you can trust? QuietScapes is here to help maintain your commercial or residential property. With our commercial grade equipment and properly trained staff, you are sure to get a quality cut every time. String trimming around obstacles on your property and edging all hard curbs perfectly defines the lines in your landscape. We offer custom service programs to include additional services to fit your property's needs. Some of the services many customers include are pruning, pine straw, mulch, IPM turf care program, and many more. We also offer landscape design and install services. Call today for a free property evaluation, 678-824-2234, or visit our website at quietscapes.com for more information about the services that we offer.